Okay, the next step will be to install the headboard. If you have two people, you can have one on either side. If you're doing it by yourself, you just want to make sure that, I'll adjust these sideboards and show you, but the headboard crosses right between the two sideboards at the back, down toward the bottom here. And you'll notice that it has the same cam fittings, but there are 3 on both sides. There are 2 that are going to be more toward the top and the one toward the bottom. We've got it set up that way, so you can't really put it in backwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of kneel down here, and I want to make sure that these sideboards are close enough that I can set the side of the headboard down on the back of that sideboard first. That kind of holds it into position. Then I'll go ahead and use the screwdriver and these cam fittings on this side first. And I'm not bringing these sideboards in too much, just barely, just enough so that it kind of holds that side over there. Don't want to move it over too far. And then I'll go ahead and just splay the sideboards out a little bit and bring the headboard in on this side as well and tighten it down.